In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to export your designs as PDF files in just a few simple steps. First, let's select the design you'd like to convert to PDF. Go ahead and open it from your projects. You'll find the Share button right at the top of your editor. Click that to get started with the export process. From the sharing options that appear, choose Download. Now we need to choose the file format. Click on the File Type drop-down to see what's available. Here's where you'll pick your PDF format. You can choose either PDF Standard for general use or PDF Print if you're planning to print your design professionally. If you want to ensure your PDF elements stay in place and can't be edited, make sure to enable the Flatten PDF option by checking this box. Perfect! Once the file finishes processing, you'll see a download notification. Just click it and your PDF will be saved to your computer. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to save any design as a PDF file.